Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So let's begin. The first thing you have to do is open up a blank slide and change the background's image to a suitable image. So I'll just use this one. Go to artistic effects and give it blur option. Now insert the same image into the slide and cover the entire slide from it. Now insert a circle and you have to use the same height and width. Give it an outline of white color and give it the slide background fill and increase the weight of the outline and give it the shadow, which is the inner middle shadow, and increase the shadow size and transparency if you want. Duplicate it by pressing Ctrl plus D about 8 times. Select them and group them and then put them into the middle and the center of the template. Here you go. Now put them right here like this. Next, insert a text box for the text onto this circle. Let's just put it and let's change its font if you want. Use a suitable font for it. Now go to Icons tab and from here choose a suitable icon for the text according to the text, and then you're going to put it right on top of this text in this circle. You have to insert a new slide and create two sections, one for the first slide and one for the next one. And rename these sections. Go to format background and then give it a gradient background. So as you can see, these ones doesn't look really nice. So what I'll do is let's just remove the gradient and give it a dark fill and insert the circle and give it a color and go to soft edges and give it 100% soft edges. Here you go. Increase its transparency and increase its size as well. So this looks perfect. You can change the color if you want. I'll use red color. Now you have to insert a text box for the text, then increase its size, and you have to change this font as well. And here you go. Insert a straight line just below out of the template. Duplicate the slide and you have to decrease the text size, change its alignment, put it on right corner, left corner, and you have to put the line right below the text. And then insert a text box for the text of this template. And you're going to use a better font for it. And let's just put it right here. In the middle, insert a small circle right below it, which will hold the picture of the one who said this line. So you can insert the image of the creator or anyone that you want to use. I'll use my own logo. So let's just put right here text box that describes who the creator is or who the person is who's saying this thing. Change the font as well, group it, and then move it downwards as well. Select both the templates and then give them more transition. From transitions tab, go to the first template and you're gonna customize everything from here. Give the circle a hyperlink from the action and the insert tab. This is how it looks like now.